Naija, we hello.
Make you no go anywhere, just wait there, make I tell you something. Ororo, you don come again. Yes, I don come again for Pidgin News Network, where we dey sambalidate news for Naija and obodo oyibo. Yes, as e dey par for we street, parable as dem we forefathers dem dey talk am, and tori as e dey blow for we pidgin world go enter the whole world patapata. My name na Ororo Pata 20km. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Dem say money sharp pass sword, but this corona sword wey sharp pass money. Corona dey look face, e dey catch anybody, woman o, man o, pikin o, rich man o, poor man o, anybody na im dey catch. E don catch governor, e don catch chief of staff, e don catch prime minister, footballer, musician, plenty people across the world. Na im corona dey catch like that. My people, now make we carry waka round the whole world go see as e dey go. People don dey waka for street, dey jump up and down, say this corona na 5G technology cause am. 5G technology na the 5th generation technology. They say na im cause am. Even Nigerian government kpakpa don talk say dem go follow put eye inside this 5G and corona matter. The truth must to come out, we must to know. The Queen of England yesterday talk to the whole people of United Kingdom as this corona dey show dem pepper. She say hope dey o, make we follow as dem talk say make we dey do. She follow remember say for 1948 when she small well during the Second World War, the war come separate her and sister. He tell the sister say we go see again. So also she talk say after this corona all of us go see again, but all of us must do wetin dem say make we dey do. The Prime Minister of England, Boris Johnson, wey get koro, dem don carry am go hospital now o, because dem talk say the thing never leave im body, so dem don carry am make dem go treat am well. Im fiancé wey be Carrie Simons wey carry belle sef don get coronavirus. Corona dey look face, e no dey look face dey talk say this one pass or this one no pass. Na anybody e dey catch. Corona that kind letter wey dem dey write to whom it may concern. Who e jam na im go catch. Na corona be that. Yes, so dem say the corona wey dey for Spain dey go up o, but the one for Italy don dey slow down. About 14 countries don go meet Cuba, say Cuba abeg help us with the medicine wey dey take treat corona. But America and Europe wey no be friend to Cuba, shame no gree dem go there o. And dem even talk say this corona medicine wey Cuba dey use, Chinese follow join hand help dem to make am better. Another news wey dey reach us talk say the mask wey dey come from China no dey kpamkpa, e no dey standard. So if you wan use am, you go use two. But oga Donald Trump of America, he say the one wey dem bring come America na orijo. Yesterday wey be Palm Sunday for Italy, Rome, St. Peter Basilica, na 60 seconds na im Pope take do mass. Everywhere empty, but he do the mass sharp for 60 seconds. China don open wet market. Wet market na that place dem dey sell all those different jagbajantis, different animal wey dem dey eat. And the whole world don talk say China abeg close that market o. Na from there this virus wey dey hit the world dem dey come from. Even Dr. Anthony Fauci of Center for Disease Control for America say Sam China now close that market, because na from all these jagbajantis animals, all these virus dey come jam man as dey go im home jeje. Now make we carry waka enter Naija. Wetin dey shele make una hear the latest story. Oga Femi Otedola don talk say person wey talk say im donate money to fight corona, abeg make una no turn am to audio money o. Make una go pay am now so that money go dey to fight corona. Plenty people don dey talk say money wey dem dey donate, anybody wey carry am shop, wetin im eye see na im go take im head carry am, because people don dey go different corner go dey wish people bad luck for say dem wan thief money for take fight corona. So if the money dey your hand, share am as government say make you share am. share the food as government say make you share am o. Dem say army dey beat people for street. No be to beat people o. People wey no gree stay house, penalty dey for dem. No be to beat dem. So as we talk say make army go help us make people follow the thing wey government say make people stay at home, make dem no carry the law knack inside their own hand. Federal government don dey do for different market and street and major park for Abuja, but the one wey make people dey laugh be say for Kano e be like say dem dey use kpano motor and dem say na that water wey dey take quench fire na im dem dey use. Na so we hear am. Lagos state government sef talk say after this lockdown dem go fit increase the days o, because the corona still dey waka. But Ogun state talk say dem go look their own. E be like say dem go suspend the matter. News wey dey reach us talk say police don arrest Funke Akindele of Jennifer Diary. Dem say she throway party for her house wey over 20 people come, so dem arrest and carry go Panti police station. And this Funke Akindele don dey try well to fight Koro because she be ambassador of Center for Disease Control. So she don dey tell people make dem stay house, but this one na Corona Diary. Dem catch am. E say make Nigeria make we no vex. Lagos state don talk say anybody wey break the rule wey dem set for this control of this disease, the Lagos Infectious Disease Regulation 2020 talk say you go pay 100,000 if you break the law. You go still go jail. That na double dosage. The rule also talk say security people fit arrest without warrant from station any person wey go against the lockdown or close down, but dem no talk say make dem beat people o, na arrest dem talk. Ogun state governor Dapo Abiodun happy well begin dance palongo. Say one small girl wey be 9 years old, Oluwaṣikemi Ogunleye, contribute 950 naira to take support the fight against corona. As we talk am, the little wey you get, give am, e dey enough. Make we take join together take fight this corona, because when rice join rice na im make pot full. So contribute to donate food and money to take fight corona as dem dey do all over the world. My people across the whole wide world, abeg make we join hand fight this corona comot for this our world. Wash your hands every time. No shake hands. No hug anybody. Abeg, anybody wey wan greet you, greet me from afar, I greet you from afar. Stay away from me, I stay away from you. No be vex, no be quarrel. Na as we dey take fight corona. No stay where more than 20 people dey. Use hand sanitizer. Stay at home and make sure say you help people wey in need. We go dey validate una with terrible news as e dey waka across the whole world. This na Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. Hail una, kpakam.